So Metamorphosic UGCs aren't utilized by any other creative agency. So let me explain. Metamorphosic UGCs are 35-second videos containing 7 psychological frames that increase CTRs by 3.5 to 75% and decrease CPCs to about 0.05 to 0.10 cents. And my name is Yusuf, and I've been an expert in the UGC space, and I have a YouTube channel, I have a Facebook group, I have an Instagram, and all I talk is about UGC. And it's not so long until we noticed a pattern between low and high converting video ads, and it was an obvious pattern for our client. Thus, we spent the last 2 years engineering the mechanisms to create high converting video ads. That's where Metamorphosic UGCs were born, right? And so what happens is Metamorphosic UGCs aren't utilized by any other creative agency. If you look at below viral e-com ads and Sense, they aren't using Metamorphosic UGCs, they're using UGCs itself, and I'm gonna explain why. Because most of those creative agencies or creative softwares create video ads based on fields, looks, and angles. When you look at the software called Below, all they're doing is it's an alternative to Upwork, but just using influencers. The brand is doing all the work. They're picking the influencers, they're shipping the products, they're paying money for the creatives, they're doing everything up front. And all the software has to do is connect those two parties. However, again, those creative agencies, if there is no middleman, all of the creative ads are being based on fields, looks, and angles, and not strategy, psychology, and persuasiveness. And that's why most brands are leaving so much money when it comes to advertising. Just like you don't need a website, you need a funnel. You don't need description, you need copywriting. You don't need video ads, you need meta. Metamorphosic UGCs also comes down to nailing video ads down to human psychology. And its sole goal is to hook the audience, entertain them, educate them, touch their hearts, and make them click to the website. And typically, this Metamorphosic UGCs utilizes 6 psychological traits, which is repression, denial, projection, displacement, regression, and subliminal. So now that you've known that, I'm going to explain everything in action and what you just heard. And I know you're scratching your head right now, but we are working with one of the biggest companies in the world, such as ClickFunnels, and one of the biggest Fortune 500 companies like Symbiont, Life, and a lot of our clients, and we use the strategy to make them gain more sales. And I'm gonna break down how Metamorphosic UGCs can change your perspective on video ads, and how you can walk out of this video with 100% free value, and how you can apply this and increase your CTRs like crazy and gain more sales. So if you want to hear more about this, keep watching till the end. Now, since Metamorphosic UGCs uses 6 psychological hacks, which is repression, denial, projection, displacement, regression, and elimination. So when someone is presented or sees your ad, right? A customer sees your ad, or a customer that didn't purchase before sees your ad, and they see your ad and they ignore it. And they went through 2 psychological hacks, which is repression and denial. So they denied that this thing worked for them, and they just went through the next thing, or they scrolled. Now, if a customer sees an ad and they watch it, they see the ad, they stop, they watch it till the end, but they didn't click to the website, this is where they go through repression, projection, displacement, and then denial. So they deny that this thing has worked for them. And then when a customer sees an ad, they stop scrolling, they watch that ad till the end, and they click to the website. They're going through repression, projection, displacement, regression, sublimation, and then denial. So no, they didn't go through denial, I'm sorry here. And then they click through the website. Now notice in the last section, we didn't use denial because the customer didn't deny this product is work for them. So they click to the website, so now they know they have paid. However, what happens there, even most of the customers before that stage have paid, but they're not clicking through the website. So how we can make that 80% of the clients, it's a pyramid, only top 3% of the clients are clicking the website, and how you can, like Sarbisobi says, how you can utilize the middle and lower base pyramid to convert them to your customers. And what happens is, this is where Metamorphosic UGCs come to play. Now that what your customers are presented as psychological traits when they see your ad, you're gonna place those video clips, you're gonna place those psychological clips that will stop them from scoring, right? And so what happens is, if someone sees, we're gonna do a scenario where when someone sees an ad and how we can use Metamorphosic to play. So number one, phase one, when someone sees an ad and they scroll it, the first thing you can do is you can add the clip, which is the hook, right? And it mostly presents itself like, stop scrolling, listen to this. I know you're wasting time here, but listen to this because it will change your life. So number one, we've presented with the hook. So now we've got rid of regression and then denial, right? So now we're into phase 2. Okay, we've got the customer watching right now. How can we make him click? Watch the ad till the end. That's our main goal, right? You're selling the end goal always. And so what happens is you start with phase 1, and then the ad continues this product will change your life, it does this, it does that, it does this. Now before you click away from this video and you keep scrolling, we have this offer, right? And so what happens is now you've hooked to the customer, and now you've gone to phase 2 where people who will continue, but the big chunk that are meant to leave will stay because you've inserted those video clips, such as like, if you think this product will not work for you, then listen to this offer, right? And you insert those video clips, like if you think that this product will not work for you, you're trying to not let them scroll to the next thing, right? And you do that, and what happens is you go to phase 3, which is the last section here where you want to click to the website. And I know, then you insert this, right? And I know you don't want to buy this product, or we have an irresistible offer. If you buy 2, get 1 free, or you click to the website, we have a free, right? And so you make them click to the website, and that's how you cut them, right? All we're trying to do is get rid with one psychological trait, which is the denial, right? We don't want that when we're producing video ads, and we definitely don't want that when we're producing a video. So by inserting those psychological clips inside of each phase, what happens is the big chunk customers that are meant to leave the video, whether it's the end in phase 1 or phase 2 and phase 3, you're attracting them and keeping a large portion of them. Of course, not all are going to stay. So now instead of converting 80%, you're converting 30% more, and that increases and shooks your CTRs by high and decreases cost per clicks by low. And this is the true art of increasing the CTRs and decreasing cost per clicks, and the true art of creating video ads that really convert, right? So that's the effect of Metamorphosic UGCs on ads. And if you can use those strategies, you can close this video and start going to your marketing team and utilize the strategy. However, we are a UGC agency, and we worked over numerous clients. And what we do is we apply the strategy for you. And you also have a team of influencers that we can connect them with you. And every creative we'll be pumping out is high converting Metamorphosic. And so what you can do is schedule a call click the link below to schedule a call with me. And I will hop on a 100% free value call where I'll show you how you can apply Metamorphosic UGCs in details to explode your business, go viral, and be profitable, and at least get a 4x ROAS on your ads. So again, click the first link inscription to schedule a call with me. It's so easy. And if you guys like this video, go ahead and like, comment, Bohemians, and share this video if you found this helpful. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.